Welcome to our video, where I will show you the best teas to drink for weight loss. Let's get into it, shall we? When I was a little girl, my mum and I would sit on our living room couch and talk about life over tea. It's still something we do to this very day. Not only does tea bring me fond memories, it gives me a little bit of calm when I need it. After an anxiety-inducing day, or to start my mornings off right, I always heat up my kettle. Something about freshly brewed tea restores me and brings me comfort. What I didn't know is that this warm cup of comfort is simultaneously shedding fat cells too. According to a 2018 research review, both black and green tea may be active in aiding weight loss. If it's hard for you to believe in this easy approach to shedding pounds, we reached out to 3 registered nutritionists we trust to prove it. Read on for the best teas for weight loss, and get your kettle ready in the meantime. Green tea. Green tea, well known for its antioxidant powers, helps with weight loss through thermogenesis, a process that burns fat in the body. The catechins in green tea promote fat loss by increasing energy expenditure, fat oxidation, and decrease lipid absorption by the intestine. Even though tea can be used as a fat burner, this shouldn't promote excess caloric intake. Drinking these teas should be used as more of a complement to weight loss, with current habits of decreasing calories and physical activity. The bottom line? Tea shouldn't be relied on as a source of burning calories versus cutting calories and physical activity. Black tea. Black tea has been studied and appears to work more in the intestine by preventing the fat absorption versus green tea. Both teas play a role in microbial gut health, leading to an anti-obese environment, explains Valdez. Overall, whether it be green tea, black tea, white tea, or lemon tea, they all have 0 calories and provide hydration, which can be an opportunity to assist with weight loss versus consuming sugary beverages or alcohol. If you want a little antioxidant water, tea is a nice choice. And if you can't tolerate coffee, tea is a perfect substitute. White tea. White tea is also a part of the weight loss aiding family. White tea, green tea, and black tea all contain some caffeine and antioxidants called catechins. When consumed together, they can help promote weight loss. White tea has the highest amounts of antioxidants of any tea. It boosts lipolysis, which helps the breakdown of fat, and blocks something called adipogenesis from being formed, which helps prevent the storage of new fat cells. Dandelion tea. Dandelion tea is a calorie-free beverage that helps meet your fluid needs. Second, and more importantly, it's a natural diuretic, which helps you lose extra water weight and motivates additional weight loss. Peppermint tea. Peppermint tea is a natural appetite suppressant. It's also really good to have at night instead of dessert because it's naturally sweeter, helps with digestion, and can help you sleep. Oolong tea. Oolong tea is filled with antioxidants, which can help boost the metabolism. The antioxidants found in oolong tea can help burn fat more efficiently and more quickly. Rooibos tea. Rooibos tea is naturally on the sweeter side, so you can drink it without anything added to it, and still enjoy the taste. It contains aspartame, which helps reduce your stress hormones that can trigger hunger. Let us know in the comments what your favorite tea is. Are you already drinking these teas and didn't know they were helping you? If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and share it with your friends. For more amazing natural health remedies, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.